Hi, welcome back guys. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you how to integrate Facebook Ads Pixel, now known as the Facebook Ads dataset, how to integrate it with a Wordpress website like this, and then use it to track your landing page visitors, landing page sales, but landing page actions, like how to track shade checkout and other stuff that people track when running Facebook ads. So now to do that, right now I'm in my business manager. So when you go to business.facebook.com, you'll be brought here to your business manager. So what we need right now is let's go to all tools here. So there are different ways by which you can actually do this, but most of the time we use Event Manager. So I'm just going to click on Event Manager. So when you come to Event Manager, you can see the businesses you have. So now from here you can decide to select which of the pixels you actually want to, like right now I have a business called Toby Promote. So under it has these different ad accounts. I also have Promote Connect, I have the land, click the code, and then so all of these are this is an ad account, is a business ID. So what I want to do is I'm gonna base on Toby Promote. So under Toby Promote, any pixel that you or data set that you create for this Toby Promote can be shared with every other account that is under this business, Toby Promote business. So let's go for the Toby Digitals. So that's an ad account. So that Toby Digitals, as you can see, I currently have about 2 pixels that that is integrated with this Toby Digitals ad account. So let's go for any of these pixels. So you can click on any of the pixel you want to use. So it's called data source now, as you can see. So as you can see, this pixel is actually active, and I think I'm using it to run. I'm using it on one of my seller store to run ads currently. So I want to use a pixel that I have not really been using, that is still kind of like hiding. So let me check pixel 1. Yeah, exactly. Pixel 1, I've not really been using Pixel 1 for some time. So if you also want to learn how to do all of these things from scratch, like how I created all of this pixel, assigned it to this ad account, and stuff like that, I'm still gonna you can also just drop. So just type in the comment section, like just type create video. So you can signify your interest by just typing create video. So if I'm able to see a number of encouraging comments like that, I would be creating that video as my next video, and I'm going to show you how we create these data sources, formerly called pixel, but now data sources, how we do them from scratch. We create them, assign them to different Facebook ad accounts, assign them to different business accounts, use it for different ad accounts, how to create more. So and I'm going to show you that. So just indicate in the comment section by typing create video, or just typing out that particular aspect you want to learn about in pixel ad accounts and running ads and stuff like that. So just indicate in the comment section and I'm going to attend to that. So but for now, let's go on ahead and set up our pixel. As you can see, we have no website found. this pixel does not have any website yet that is using it. So now I'm gonna integrate it with our website. This land, let's create this website basically for landing page. Um, so now the next thing we have to do is just go down here to where we have no active integrations. So I'm gonna click on manage integrations. So then I'm gonna click on add new integration. Then I'm gonna come to meta pixel. I'm gonna come to setup. So I'm gonna choose, as you can see now we have different options of which we can integrate this pixel. So pardon me whenever I'm using pixel because I'm already used to it. Even they too are still using pixel. You see, they changed it to data source, but still they are still using pixel in their write-up. So I don't know why they are doing this confusion. I don't understand them. So I still call it pixel, and sometimes I might call it data source. So I'm still talking about the same thing. So now as you can see, we have different options like event setup to email and stuff like that. Well, now I recommend you go for the manually add code to view to your website. So just leave it at that option and then click on get started. So okay, the next thing I want to do is so we have created the pixel. I'm gonna, like I said, it's created already. So this video is mainly for those of you who already have pixel but don't know how to integrate it. So the next thing we want to do is just come here to install this code. So we are done with this, then come to install this code. So now this is the code we need. So I have to just click on copy code. So once you have clicked on copy code, it has copied the code for you automatically, and that's why you just paste something and you see it is pasting the code. So it has copied to clipboard. So now the next thing I want to do is just come back to your WordPress website and just go to where we have plugins, then click on add new plugin. So all I have to do is just come here to where we have search plugins. So search for insert header. Just search for insert header. So this is the name of the plugin, insert headers and footer by WP code. So this plugin has been serving this for this purpose for the past, I don't know how many years since I started on the house. It's the same plugin we started with. So up to now it's still working. As you can see, it has 2 million plus active installs, meaning that 2 million plus people are using it currently. So I'm just gonna click on install now. Then I'm gonna click on activate. So after activating it, all I have to do is just scroll down. So now when you scroll down, you can see it here, WP code light, and then you can also see it here where we have code snippets. So what we need is this header footer. So just come to header footer. So once you are here, so now what we actually want to do is we want to paste the code we copied. We want to paste it here. So but to confirm if everything you're doing is actually working, so what I do is come to your website. Your website, the front end of your website where you're actually working on. So just right click and go to view page source. So this is how I confirm if what I'm doing is working. So right now you should press Ctrl F and search for let me paste the code here. Yeah, let's search for meta pixel code. We have meta pixel. As you can see, we do not have anything like meta pixel yet because it is not yet on this code, the code of this website. So now we just paste it here right now. So now let's save. So now we have saved it. So now you have to come here and reload. So then you can now search for it again. As you can see, you can now find it. So meaning that the code we actually pasted here at the header here has been installed on our website header. So you can find it here right now. So and that's how I confirm if what I'm today is working. So then I can close it. So meaning that this code here is already on this website. So that is what Facebook needs you to do. So after we've done that, just come back to where we are installing our stuff. So we have already installed this code. So then the next thing we have to do is automatic advanced. So just click on the automatic advanced machine. So I normally turn everything on so that my pixel can have every data that it can have. So then click on continue. So right now open event setup 2. So that's the next thing I want to do. So just click on the open event setup 2 button. So now it's gonna ask you to paste your website here. So you can just simply copy the link of your landing page. So this is my landing page. You can also copy. So just paste it here. So now what this is gonna do is gonna confirm if it finds the code on your website. So we have confirmed it already, but they too also have to confirm. So with this we'll be able to set up our events and stuff like that. So now I'm going to click on open website. So now our pop-up blocker is on, and this is it here. So it shows that if I click on it, it's going to see. So now it has opened. But next time you can just always allow. You get, then you can click on done. So now it has, okay, let me just do it again so that you can see. So click on open website. So now it's gonna bring a window here, as you can see. So in your own case, if it doesn't bring this window, it means the code has not yet been like activated on this website. So you can give it like 5 minutes and come back, and it's gonna work. See, once you have been able to verify the way we verified that using the view page source code, it's gonna eventually work. Sometimes it can take time, probably because of your browser caching data. So you can come back after 5 minutes, then it's gonna work like this. So now once you see this, then you should know that everything is working well. So right now let's just track our events. So let me show you. These are the events that I have tracked before. So I just want to show you everything that is possible. You can track add to cart, you can track complete registration, initiate checkout, leads, purchase, and so on. So now if you want to track, for example, now the add this landing page is going to be tracking this particular button, order for your frame today. So when people click on this button, so it's gonna want to track the number of people that are clicking on this button, so that when we are running our ads, we can be able to optimize for hits. So I'm gonna click on track me button. So when you click on track me button, this is gonna filter out every button that we have on this page. So it has filtered out every button we have on this website. So you can now go for the particular button you want. So in my own case, I just want the order for your frame today button. So I want to track the order for your frame today button. So you can just select any button, like you can create the button. Like this is my Elementor right now. So you can just create the button so that you want people to click on like this. So then after they have clicked on it, so then you want to track it. So now I'm just going to click on this button. So now I want to select the event that I want the button to be registered with. So when they click this button, should it be registered as an add to cart, or initiate checkout, or lead, or purchase? So in my own case, it is not gonna be it is actually gonna be initiate checkout, and the reason is because when they click on this button, it's just going to take them to where they are going to fill their form. So it means they have not yet purchased. So the way most people normally do purchase, and the way I do purchase is I set up a thank you page. So it is only people that has gotten to that page that has actually made a purchase, because after they have made payment. So this is the initiate checkout. So when I click on this button, it's going to be initiate checkout. It's going to register them as initiate checkout. See, they have want to make their checkout. So so if you want to register it as an add to cart, you can select it. And if you want to register it that someone has dropped a lead, so and that's why some people, it is actually after they fill the form, so they register them as a lead because they have gotten their email. So I'm going to click on confirm. So now it has registered it as an initiate checkout. So now I can click on finish setup. So finish. Let's skip. So that is how to actually register the events. So it is still the same process that you can use to do your your purchase and other stuff. So now let me show you how to register for purchase. So now, as you can see, we already have just the landing page. So I'm just going to create a page right now. I'm going to call it the thank you page. So now this page is going to be for people that have made payments. So after they have made payments, where should they be taken to? So they should be taken to a page like this called the thank you page. So we're gonna click on publish. I'm gonna edit it with Elementor. So but because I don't really have the time to be editing the page in this video, so we are here for the pixel. So I'm just gonna open the page here. So what I can do is I can just bring an header here. I say thanks for your order. Your frame will be shipped to you within whatever, how many days, or within 24 hours, or within a day. So you can have a message like this. So meaning that when people have ordered for their frame, are paid, so they'll be taken to a page like this. So it is only people that make payment that will see this page, because the thank you page they are going to be directed to this page after their payment. So now we want to make it that people that land to this page are those who have made payment. So meaning that automatically the number of people that land to this page means the number of people that has made payment. So this is the page we're going to track for our purchase. So to do that, we're just going to come back to our events setup here. So we're going to copy this our thank you page here. So I'm going to paste it here. Then I'm going to open website. So because we have already installed the pixel on our website, so every pages of our website will have our pixel, even the newly created page, and even the one you have not even created, every page you always have. So now instead of tracking button, now we want to track a URL. So select an event, we want it to be purchase, so people has made purchase. So now URL equals or contains, I normally use equal. So if pixel tracks that someone visits a URL like this on your website, then it's going to track it as purchase, so that when you want to run your ads, then you can say you want to optimize for purchase, the number of people that are visiting this URL. And that's how people normally do it. And you see them running ads, they have so number of purchase, so number of purchase, and so number of leads. If it is leads you want to track, you can change it here. You can just delete and say no, I'm no longer tracking purchase. I want it to be leads. Say okay, I want it to be leads, and this is how to do it. So then click on finish setup, finish, you can skip. So that's essentially how to do that. And if you should come back to So let's cancel this. Cancel. Okay, confirm. So we should come back to our pixel here. So very soon we will start seeing the events. As you can see, the event is now showing. We now have page views. So now we have the lines for the graph, which will soon start to show. So that is all for these guys. So like I said, if you're interested in learning how we create those pixels from scratch, you can just indicate your interest in the video by typing create video or typing any aspects that you want to learn. So that will be all for this video, guys. If you have learned anything, please do me the favor of liking this video, subscribe to this channel to get notified when I'd also turn on your notification bell button to get notified when I drop helpful videos like this. Bye for now, guys. Thanks.